Hey, I'm Chad, and I want to show you a feature of virtualkeypad.com. Let's get started. The System Overview page gives you quick access to the parts of your system you interact with the most. Once you connect to your system, you'll be met with a System Overview page where you'll see things like arming and history, doors, and all of your Z-Wave devices. Up at the top, you'll see the arming section where you can arm or disarm all of your areas. If you'd like to arm or disarm a specific area, simply click the shield next to the area's name. If you'd like to check the status of your zones, simply click on Zone Status and it'll pull that status from your panel. Hit Close to get rid of that. Next to the arming section is the history section, where you'll see just the most recent events on your system. And down below, you'll see your doors. You can click the Unlock button to unlock a door, and you can click the Access button to grant temporary access to a door. And that's how to use a System Overview page on virtualkeypad.com.